Story 13. What is rain? Look up at the clouds. They are very pretty. They are also filled with water. Rain comes from clouds in the sky. Rain is water that falls from the sky. It rains in spring. It rains in summer. It rains in fall. But it does not rain in winter. Rain is very important. It gives animals water to drink. It gives plants water too. Everything on earth needs water. That is why rain is so important. Look at the lake, a river, or an ocean. That is a lot of water. Where does it come from? It comes from rain. When it rains, the lakes, rivers, and oceans catch the rain. They fill up with water. That is how nature works. Spring rain is especially important to farmers. Just listen to this Chinese saying. Rain in the spring is as precious as oil.